din tayo dahil may event yung Brilliant. So, invited tayo for today's event. Tayo market.
For beauty into a brand loved by millions. Siya ang proof na with hard work, confidence, and heart, dreams really do come true. Kaya naman, sabay-sabay nating palakpakan and welcome our CEO, the beautiful brain behind Brilliant Skin Essentials, Miss Glenda!
I'm so grateful na meron akong Brilliant family. Lahat ng nandito, lahat ng nasa taas, sa baba, hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Miss Glenda. Hello po, baka kasasabihin nila si Andrea Brillianta sa charot lang. Ako po si Miss Glenda and nag-prepare po talaga ako ng speech para sa inyong lahat. So on behalf of Brilliant Skin Essentials Group of Companies, I would like to warmly welcome you all to the official launch of something we've poured our passion, science, and purpose into the Brilliant Rejuve set. Today is more than just a product launch. It's a celebration of confidence, beauty, and transformation. The Brilliant Rejuve set was designed with one clear mission: to help people feel radiant in their own skin with skincare solution that's gentle, effective, and truly results-driven.
Lahat favorite na, if you can only choose one product, ano yun?
Sorry ha, bias talaga ako, pero I really like the whitening facial set. Kasi it maintains your skin and you can apply it day and night.